Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons in Palia full guide. Preheat your oven and gather almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, granulated sugar, and a digital scale. I will walk you through aging egg whites, sifting dry ingredients, and achieving the correct meringue stage. You will learn macaronage techniques, how to pipe consistent shells, and clues for when they are baked through and ready to cool. In this video, I will explain how to make macarons in Palia full guide. Start by weighing almond flour and powdered sugar precisely and sift them together twice. Separate egg whites a day ahead to age, then leave at room temperature before whipping to medium peaks. Prepare piping bags, templates, and baking sheets lined with silicone mats. I will show how humidity and oven placement influence results and how to adjust your process. In this video, I will explain how to make macarons in Palia full guide. After macaronage, pipe rounds using a template and gentle pressure to ensure uniform sizes, then tap trays to remove air bubbles. Allow shells to rest until a skin forms before baking to develop feet. I will cover common issues like hollow shells, cracked tops, and no feet, and give clear, practical fixes so you can repeat successful batches reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.